Audio Jungle.
Yeah.
And are you, so as you're building your systems and your process and looking at this thing, like obviously, we were talking early on and you said, you had this vision and the vision has changed and you guys have been able to kind of really adapt and move and kind of go on this adventure. As you're building these systems out, is it with franchising in mind? Is that just sort of like, I don't know, maybe one day we'll franchise or what's the thinking there?
Yeah. So I think ideally that's the goal for sure.
Yeah.
I think we have a good position. I think we have a really good brand. I think we have really good marketing, playbooks, if you will.
Yeah.
Then all that's came from our past experience in other businesses too. So I want to give credit to my past life as well. For the good stuff and the bad stuff that happened there too, because I think we learned a lot and we were able to take into this industry. But yeah, I think that like big plans, I want to be a bigger help within this industry as well when it comes to branding, when it comes to kind of visually and contextually changing the industry and how we speak about it and how we market and just like putting more life into the industry, because I feel like there's a lot of laundromats, there's a lot of pickup and delivery operations, and a lot of people that have heard our story on some other podcasts that are wondering how you do this, and so like being able to find a space to share our knowledge, I think is a big thing for us this year as well. And but yeah, like ideally we're able to set this up to where we can open up literally wherever with the right quick market research, really be able to pop this and place this in anywhere. I think our goal first within this first couple of years is definitely sticking regionally to where we're at, because I think that I want to test it in some different areas, like some bigger areas too. I think that we're very fortunate with where we're at, and I think when we do work with people, I worked with people like in LA and in like upstate New York, and there's different things that come to light within our discussions and stuff, and I'm like, okay, I gotta look into this, or look at solve, because it's a little bit different of an application or whatever. So being able to like understand the market fully and continue to just like pump myself with knowledge within this industry, I think is a big goal for the next years too. But yeah, like ideally, it's the top tier would be Lotta's being kind of a household name across the nation would be really badass for sure.
What? I mean, you don't want to keep doing all the laundry yourself?
Yeah, no.
I don't understand why. Yeah.
Definitely, the PNW is a special place for us, so I'd love to give as much love as we can to that area specifically too, as long as we can.
Well, what I love, Bo, about kind of your take here is like you saw an opportunity in an industry that has a lot to be proud of, right? Yeah. It's filled with great people, and I think that the more people that come in that have a little bit more of a visual mindset, and a little bit more brand behind what they do, will lift everybody up and make everybody feel that energy and feel like they can legitimately be proud of what they're doing. Like I see so many people who are hesitant to say that they're in this industry, and that's changing.
Yeah.
But I think it's gonna take a lot more people who are really brand forward and thinking that way to help everybody feel kind of comfortable. Taking that on and being like, you know what? I am proud. This is great. I do love everybody in this industry.
Yeah, and totally. And like a lot of them, like you're saying, like there's a lot of like family lineage that are like just stories waiting to be told. I think that's like the biggest thing that people are missing too within this industry specifically is like it's like people are like, oh yeah, it's no big deal. Like my parents owned it and their grandparents. It's like, so there's a 3-generation laundromat. Like
so you're third gen. Yeah, exactly.
That's freaking awesome. Like why are you not telling that story? And like like. I just don't think people understand like the gravity of of storytelling in general, right? Like it really brings you closer to businesses, and like the best businesses are doing the best storytelling, and whether it's silent, whether it's right in your face, like that's all part of what makes your business and what makes your business different. It's not like you said, everyone can do laundry, right? Like we didn't come up with like a new idea here, right? So. We just figured out how to do it, very well. So,
right, yeah, you were systems focused. That's systems focused and brand focused.
Sure.
Two pretty straightforward things, right?
Yeah.